it looks like it's gonna be like a cool experiment. The rocks grow up to 4 inches. Yeah, the rocks grow up to 4 inches.
That's pretty big, yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty big. And it's like, it's a STEM activity like science, technology, engineering, and math.
It just says that we have to wait for 120 minutes.
That's like 2 hours. Yeah, that's 2 hours.
2 hours. Now let's see what's inside. Take all of this out. Oh. This is it. Oh. I bet it has all the stuff inside of it. Yep, it has all the stuff inside of it. Let's open this up. That's a picture that was on, like, right here. That was a back. Well, these turned out to be so small.
Guys, it comes with an aquarium, growing rocks, 2 bottles of sodium mesosilicate, 1 background, 1 sticker sheet, poster, and instructions.
Guys, now we're gonna start building our crystal aquarium!
So first, you're gonna attach your background to the aquarium, but you're gonna need tape for this. So you're gonna attach it, just align it just like this.
Yeah, we already had tape on that.
Yeah, we have tape on it, and then.
It's good. It's good.
Okay, now we have our background on. Now we're gonna add our stickers. So, turn this around this way. Okay. Take off the sticker.
The stickers are kind of hard to get off. Take off the sticker. I'm gonna take off the sticker. And put this right here. That is weird.
And then this one.
So you're gonna put that one.
That one goes
I'm guessing you're gonna put it right there. Yes, I knew it.
right here. And then this.
Oh no.
This one.
Let's go right there. Okay.
This one goes all right here.
Oh. I almost messed it up. Okay, almost did. Okay, can I put this one right here? Yep.
And
those can go in. I'm just gonna put
this
them
one
anywhere.
can go right here.
And this one can go right here. And the last one can go, right here. Like slant a little bit.
Yeah, that's good. Guys, now we're gonna show you a little bit of fun facts about crystals.
Yeah.
Okay, let's open up our poster and read some fun facts. Come here. Okay, pick which one you want to read.
Okay, the purple. Diamond crystals use electric currents which vibrate at specific rates.
Okay, I'm gonna pick the green one. Do you know crystallography is the scientific study of crystals and how they form?
Yep.
Okay, that's enough for fun facts. Next, we're gonna go get our rocks, and our dad is gonna crush them up into small pieces, and we're gonna put them in here in groups, but make sure they're not touching each other.
Yeah.
Guys, now we have our rocks all crushed, and we're gonna put them into our aquarium, and we're gonna put them in groups. So let's get the big pieces and drop them in. So
these are big pieces.
Just drop them in like that.
Yeah. This is our second group. And then our small pieces. Oh, small pieces. Oh, sorry.
Put that in.
Yep.
More. So a lot more.
I have to. I have to put some in here. That's so hard to reach. Now we have to put our small ones.
All these small ones.
These are so small. Look, guys. Look.
They're so small.
And let's sprinkle it.
Let's put more in.
We don't have to sprinkle the whole entire thing, but like sprinkle it.
Now we're gonna pour in our growing solutions, which is called
sodium methacrylate.
That's funny word.
Silly.
Okay, so let's open this up.
Okay.
And we're gonna pour all of it in, but we have to pour it in carefully, like this.
Yep. This looks very weird. Like all of them are going out to the side. Looks so weird. Okay, now it's stopping because
carefully.
Oh, look at that one.
And slowly.
Oh, they're all some of them are floating. My turn?
Okay, your turn.
Yes, do it you have to do it really carefully.
Really carefully. Wow, it looks so weird. It looks like glue, kinda. Okay, that's enough.
Yep.
Now we put our growing solution inside of our aquarium. We're gonna get our water and we're gonna pour it in until 1/4 of the aquarium is not full.
So,
like leaving space, 1/4 space.
Like right here at least.
Yeah, like right there. So let's open it.
So I'll leave
I'm gonna stop. Okay, that's enough.
Yep.
Guys, we finished setting up our aquarium. We put the background in, we put on the stickers, we crushed the rocks, and we put them in. And we separated them, and we put our growing solution in, and we put our water in, and made sure there was 1/4 space left without water.
Yep.
Guys, now we're gonna wait for 2 hours, and when 2 hours comes, we're gonna show you guys what the crystals look like. Guys, it's 2 hours later, and this is how much our crystals grew. In 2 hours. They grew tall actually. They didn't grow, they grew like a few inches.
That one's like all over the side.
Yeah, that one is like a lot. There's right here. This one is like the tallest one right here. Yeah. They grew like I think they're like 4 inches, but some are smaller. It looks like an actual crystal.
Yeah.
It looks like a real crystal. This is so cool. This is so cool. Like different color crystals.
Yeah. Like it was like short, grew. Now it's so big, guys.
Yeah, it's so big.
Yeah.
Wow, this is so cool.
And look at, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. And hit the notification bell to know when we post a new video.